The Etekcity MSR-R500 Digital Multimeter is a practical tool for electricians, hobbyists, and general household use. It is easy to operate and features many different functions for measuring current, voltage, and resistance, as well as continuity, transistor, and diode testing. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Auto maintenance. Properly test fuses, wire, and even battery to ensure everything is in order for your road trip. Number 2. Household repair. Fit for general electrical work around your house, such as diagnosing outlets, batteries, and more. Number 3. Full support. Open up the support stand to prop up the MSR-R500 and make reading measurements easier. Number 4. Protective sleeve. The rubber sleeve ensures that the multimeter is always protected from wear and tear while on the job. Number 5. Double protection. 2 built-in ceramic fuse tubes make the multimeter secure and reliable. Overload protection is active on all ranges. Number 6. Beep function. Connect the test leads with the object tested. The buzzer will beep if there is a complete path. Number 7. Accurately measures. This multimeter can test AC/DC voltage, DC current, not for AC current, resistance, diode, continuity, and more. Sampling speed, 3 times per second. Number 8. Handy Troubleshooter. Data hold button holds a reading. Large backlit LCD with large digits is easily visible in dimly lit areas. Built-in support stand allows for hand-free use, low battery indication and continuity buzzer. Number 9. Safety protection. The multimeter has overload protection on all ranges and anti-burn with double fuses. A protective rubber sleeve around the multimeter adds extra drop protection. Number 10. Buy with confidence. 2-year warranty, 1-year buyer assurance and a free option to extend it by 1 more year. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.